Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to talk about enamel rods. So let's start our topic with introduction. Enamel is hardest and most mineralized tissue in the human body, forming the outer covering of the crown of the tooth. Its unique structure consists of enamel rods or prism, which are highly organized bundles of hydroxyapatite crystals. Enamel rods play a crucial role in providing mechanical strength, resistance to wear, and protection against bacterial invasion. Definition: enamel rods are the basic structural and functional units of enamel, consisting of tightly packed hydroxyapatite crystals arranged in rod-like formation extending from the dentino-enamel junction to the enamel surface. Formation of enamel rods. Enamel rods are formed during amelogenesis, the process by which ameloblasts secrete enamel matrix. Role of ameloblast. Each enamel rod is secreted by a single ameloblast. Ameloblasts are tall columnar cells located in the enamel organ. The Tom's process, a pyramidal extension at the distal end of ameloblast, directs the deposition of enamel matrix forming the rod structure. Mineralization. Enamel matrix secreted by ameloblasts is initially unmineralized. Hydroxyapatite crystals progressively grow and elongate, leading to mature, highly mineralized enamel rods. Crystals within the rods are oriented parallel to the long axis of the rod, contributing to its strength. Structure of enamel rod. The shape of them is keyhole or cylindrical prism. Length extends from dentino-enamel junction to the enamel surface. They are approximately 4 to 6 micrometer in diameter. The rods are tightly packed in a honeycomb-like pattern. Interrod enamel is a space between rod that is filled with interrod enamel, which has a slightly different crystal orientation. Rods are perpendicular to dento-enamel junction in most areas, but their direction can curve in the cervical regions like Hunter's Krieger bands. Key features of enamel rods. First is their head and tail, as each rod has a head that is larger portion and tail that is narrow portion. Interdigitation. Rods interlock with interrod enamel, providing mechanical strength. Hunter's Krieger band are the alternating light and dark bands in enamel due to changes in rod orientation. Decussation of rods. Rods cross each other in same areas, enhancing resistance to fracture. Arrangement of enamel rods. Rods are perpendicular to dentino-enamel junction in the incisal or occlusal region. In cervical regions, rod inclines slightly towards the rod. A keyhole pattern is the head of one rod is surrounded by the tail of adjacent rod. Prism orientation provides resistance to compressive and tensile force during mastication. Functional significance. First is mechanical strength, as interlocking rod resists fracture and wear. Second is protective barrier, as it provides resistance against acid attack and bacterial invasion. Third functional significance is shock absorption, as rod orientation allows the enamel to withstand masticatory stress. And fourth significance is attachment, as rod interdigitates with dentine at the dentino-enamel junction, ensuring cohesion between enamel and dentine. Clinical significance. First are enamel caries. Acid attack preferentially occur along enamel rod boundaries. Second is itching in restorative dentistry, as enamel rod must be considered during acid itching to achieve proper bonding. Third significance is fracture resistance, as knowledge of rod orientation is important in cavity preparation and restorative procedures. Conclusion. Enamel rods are fundamental units of enamel consisting of highly organized hydroxyapatite crystal arranged in a rod-like pattern from dentino-enamel junction to the tooth surface. Their structure, orientation, and interlocking arrangement provide mechanical strength, resistance to wear, and protection against caries. Understanding enamel rod structure is essential in preventive, restorative, and operative dentistry. And this was all about enamel rods. Hopefully you liked the video. If you do, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for watching.